One day after school, a kind little girl named Emma was playing with her best friend Lily in the playroom. They were building a tall castle with colorful blocks and laughing together. While reaching for a block, Emma accidentally knocked over Lily's part of the castle. The blocks fell, and Lily felt sad. Emma felt upset too, but instead of saying anything, she crossed her arms and stayed quiet. Emma felt a tight feeling in her chest because she knew she had made a mistake. But she felt shy and nervous to say sorry. Lily turned away, and the room felt quiet and uncomfortable. Just then, Emma's teacher gently came over and asked what happened. Emma looked down and said softly that she did not mean to knock the blocks over. The teacher smiled kindly and explained that everyone makes mistakes, but saying sorry helps fix hurt feelings. Emma took a deep breath and looked at Lily with a small voice but a brave heart. Emma said, "I'm sorry for knocking over your blocks." Lily looked at Emma and smiled because hearing sorry made her feel better. Lily said, "It's okay. Let's build it again together." The girls worked as a team and made an even bigger castle than before. Emma felt proud and happy because saying sorry was not as scary as she thought. Later that day, Emma remembered the lesson at home when she accidentally bumped into her little brother. She said sorry right away, and he smiled. Emma learned that saying sorry does not mean you are bad, it means you care about others' feelings. By the end of the day, Emma understood that kind words can fix small problems and make friendships stronger. She promised herself to be brave and say sorry whenever she made a mistake, because being kind is more important than being right. Saying sorry helps heal feelings and makes friendships stronger.